Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This vlog is all about Jaipur. So मैं जयपुर घूमने गया था अभी रिसेंटली, तो ये व्लॉग उसी के बारे में है। जितना हो सका मैंने दिखाया, तो वीडियो को पूरा देखना, काफ़ी जगह आपको देखने को मिलेगी जयपुर में। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं रिज़ॉर्ट से। जाते ही मैं रिज़ॉर्ट पहुंच गया था सबसे पहले। तो गाइस आफ्टर 3 आवर्स ऑफ ड्राइव और मे बी मोर, 4 घंटे शायद लगे ड्राइव करने में, और फाइनली मैं जयपुर पहुंच गया। जयपुर तो मैं पहुंच गया था, उसके बाद 2 घंटे रेस्ट भी कर लिया हमने, काफ़ी होटल्स रिजॉर्ट्स भी एक्सप्लोर किए, तो फिर जाके मुझे ये रिजॉर्ट पसंद आया। तो इसका लोकेशन मैं डाल दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में। काफ़ी अच्छा रिजॉर्ट है और इसने पूल एक्सेस भी दिया मुझे, और सिर्फ मेरे लिए। पूल खाली था, इसने साफ़ करवाया और मेरे लिए भर भी दिया, तो ये चीज़ भी अच्छी लगी मुझे। सिर्फ मेरे लिए पूल का एक्सेस दिया इसने, क्योंकि ऐसे में पूल तो इसने मेरे सामने साफ़ किया, इतने मैंने रेस्ट किया, इतने में इसने भर दिया। तो अभी ये जयपुर में है, आउटस्कर्ट में रिजॉर्ट। काफ़ी बड़ा रिजॉर्ट है और यहाँ पे रूम्स जो है बहुत तरह के अवेलेबल है। आपको सिंगल रूम है, कॉटेज मिलेगा, और फिर ट्री हाउस है। ट्री हाउस सबसे स्पेशल है यहाँ पे, तो मैंने ट्री हाउस ही लिया है। ट्री हाउस में आप लोगों को दिखा दूँगा। और मेरा क्या प्लान है, मैं अभी जाऊँगा जयपुर में जो घूमने की जगह है, तो मुझे खुद ही नहीं पता, तो मैं जाके एक्सप्लोर करूँगा और दिखा दूँगा जहाँ पर मैं जाऊँगा। चलो,
ये जंतर मंतर का टिकट काउंटर, और 25 रुपीज़ की एक टिकट है। तो हम 4 हैं, तो 4 टिकट ले लिए मैंने।
तो गाइस यहाँ का जो जंतर मंतर है जयपुर का, दिस इज़ वेरी ह्यूज। ट्रस्ट मी, दिल्ली वाला कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ भी इसके सामने। इट वाज लिटरली वेरी बिग एंड वेरी ह्यूज, एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, एंशिएंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आई वुड से, नॉट इवन एंशिएंट बट पुराने काफ़ी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है जो कि यूज़ में लिए जाते थे। काफ़ी चीज़ें, टाइम, डेट, कैलेंडर, ये सब के लिए। और अब तो हम समझ भी नहीं सकते उन चीज़ों को। सो बहुत बड़ा है यार ये, काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं देखने लायक, तो मस्ट विजिट प्लेस है जंतर मंतर भी जयपुर, अगर आप जा रहे हो तो। So after Jantar Mantar we went to Isarlat. This is a tall standing tower in the center of the market in Jaipur, and it is standing tall since 1749, and it was built by Savai Ishwar Singh, who is the eldest son of founder of Jaipur, who is Savai Jai Singh. So this is just like Qutub Minar in Delhi, but yeah, everything has a different history. सो इसमें बहुत चढ़ाई है यार, बहुत चढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको। सो चढ़ाई देखो, और फिर व्यू भी दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको। व्यू देखना, बहुत ही ऑसम व्यू है ऊपर जाके, बट अगेन चढ़ना बहुत पड़ेगा। सो एंजॉय द व्यू।
ऊपर आते आते थक जाता आदमी, पर ऊपर आना वसूल है। 360 व्यू हर चीज़ का, सब दिखेगा यहाँ से।
So guys, I was unable to record the video while coming up to the tower, but my younger brother decided to record the video while going down after enjoying the view from the top. So he was recording this video, and this is very fast, you know. This is like 2x or 2.5x maybe the speed of the video. So you can imagine how much you have to walk you know, up to enjoy that view on the top. So he's still going down and down and down, and it's good that he decided to record this video, you know, because I forgot while going up. So it's better, you know, he recorded the video while going down, because it seems easy for you guys, but when you'll go up, it is a little bit hard. Not that much, but a little bit hard, you know, because the area is not so spacious. It's like only a single person can go up. So look at the height of this tower. It's so tall. Now, you know, after watching that tower and enjoying the view from there, we were going to the Wax Museum. So enjoy the Wax Museum right after this, guys.
हाँ हाँ चलो। कहाँ है जगह? ये ओ भाई साहब, जगह कहाँ है?
तभी तो वो कह रहे थे ना हाथ आके रखना सर। ये रहा
इधर भी है।
ये तो ये रहा, इधर भी है, इधर ये रहा। उसी में आगे वापसी
वापसी आ गए।
वापसी आ गई।
देखते कौन तरह ढूंढेगा, ठीक है?
मैं वो मन मत खो दियो।
अकेले रहो आप। मेरे को ट्रिक मिल गई इसकी, कैसे पता करते हैं। मेरे को इसकी ट्रिक मिल गई, कैसे हैक करते हैं।
So after that, you know, we went to the Wax Museum. Wax Museum was awesome. There were many wax statues for many famous personalities. So I hope you could recognize them all. I was able to recognize them all. There was just one statue that I was not able to recognize, and I think you guys might also, you know, feel same about that statue. So I'll let you know once the statue is visible in the video. This one I'm talking about. So I don't know who this guy is, but they said that he's some South Indian actor and he's very famous. So there were a lot of statues for many famous personalities across the globe. Dalai Lama, Modi ji, Mathuro. So enjoyed that. It's just that you can click pictures, you know, with all these statues, and you know, post them on your social media. So this was awesome, and me and my family enjoyed a lot over here. So this was very good, must visit place in Jaipur. So guys, this is Hawa Mahal, and this is visible from the main road, so you can visit it. This is on the main road. Now this is my resort where I stayed. So I told, as you have seen in the video, the pool access was private, so I enjoyed the pool over there, and this is the view. I mean, this is just, I'm roaming around in the resort. So these are cottages, basically different cottages, and you know, there was a lot of greenery. That's why I like this resort, you know, lot of trees, lot of greenery. So it was really awesome. The resort was just awesome. So the pool area was designed in such a way that you can have a very good pool party with your friends over here. They even had a first floor, I mean, you can sit in the ground floor or on the first floor and enjoy the party. And I think a lot of people, around 50 to 100 people, can have a great party just around this pool area. So this was my room, the tree house that I had for my stay in this resort. So it was all made of wood. It was all wood. The ceiling, the walls, everything was wood. So it was just awesome. Very well maintained and very well designed, so I enjoyed my stay over there. And also it was very close to nature because of lot of greenery. So that was the main attraction that attracted me to book my stay with this resort. So you guys can try and visit this resort if you are going to Jaipur anytime soon. But trust me, the resort is just awesome. You will definitely enjoy the stay over there. And this place, this is Jal Mahal, guys. Jal Mahal is also visible from the main road. And let me tell you, Jal Mahal, it is called Jal Mahal because it's inside the water. That's clearly visible to you guys. But anytime soon they are planning to make it a resort. So this is me heading towards the forts. So there are 3 forts in the Jaipur if you are planning to visit. Let me tell you, it's Nahargarh Fort and Jaigarh Fort and then Amer Fort. There are 3 forts basically. So Nahargarh Fort and Jaigarh Fort are all together, and Amer Fort is different, on a different route. So if you are going to this route where I am heading now, you will be able to see 2 forts. One is Nahargarh and the other one is Jaigarh Fort, and both the forts are beautiful. So Nahargarh Fort was for the king, and the view is also awesome, guys. While you are driving over here on this on these roads which are heading towards the forts, you will see that lot of greenery, lot of hills. So you feel like you are driving into the Himachal or maybe Uttarakhand. It feels like that. And the roads are also same, the curves are also same. So it was a great experience altogether, because I've been to Jaipur before, but I haven't been to this forts and all this. So it was a great experience altogether. So now I'm just about to reach the forts. So please enjoy the view. And there is a lot of history related to these forts. So it's better if you take a guide. Let me tell you, wherever you are traveling in Jaipur, whatever you are seeing, it has a lot of history over there. And it's better to have a tour guide, because the guide won't charge you much, 100, 150 or maybe 200 rupees. 200 is like at most, not more than 200. So if you bargain, they will give you company and tell you everything, each and everything about the place. So it's better to take a tour guide while you are visiting Jaipur, all the forts and all the marketplaces, anything that you see. Just get a tour guide for 100 rupees, maybe 150 rupees, and trust me guys, that is really worth, because the information those guys will share with you is really worth, because you are watching it and while you are listening about it, that what is it about that I'm looking at. So that makes a difference. So I hired so many tour guides depending on the place to place. So I feel that it's really worth, and it's giving them a job as well. So that was great. Hire a tour guide for sure. And this was the view from the fort, Nahargarh Fort. I've reached Nahargarh Fort now. So this was the view from Nahargarh Fort. It's a very nice fort, guys. So guys, this Nahargarh fort was built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, the king of Jaipur, and the fort was constructed as a place of retreat on the summit of the ridge above the city. It was above the city, as you have seen in the previous views. Altogether, it was really a great place. And when you are on the terrace, you realize that the place is really very huge. There are a lot of rooms. I don't know if the kings, they were able to roam around their own place, in their entire lifetime. It was so huge. So guys, this is Jaigarh Fort. I'm in the center of Jaigarh Fort. This is the way to the cannon that is 6 feet tall. The tire is just 6 feet tall and the cannon is altogether very huge, very big cannon. The Jaigarh Fort was built basically for the defense, to protect the Amer Fort. And in Jaigarh Fort there were a lot of armory and all the equipments that were necessary to fight a battle. So I'll show you all the pictures of all the equipments that are available for the display. Well, this is the cannon I was talking about. It's really very huge. Trust me, this tire that you see is above 6 feet. So this cannon is really huge. So guys, now I'm heading towards the Amer Fort. I'll have the pictures of the guns and the cannons in the end, which were there in the Jaigarh Fort. Now I'm heading towards the Amer Fort, so enjoy the view from the Amer Fort. So this is the view from the Amer Fort. Trust me guys, it was really awesome to enjoy this view. And Amer Fort is also very huge. It's really very huge, and the view and the paintings and the decoration, it's altogether really very beautiful. And the colors that you see on the walls in every fort in Jaipur, they were made naturally by vegetables. This is the checkpoint, the entry gate inside the palace. And this is the view when you enter that gate. And there is a entry ticket for every fort in Jaipur. You must know it. Yeah, this is the view when you enter the gate. And look guys, this is really very beautiful. So guys, this is inside the Amer Palace, and this garden is known as Kesari Garden. So this was built by the king for obviously his queen. So guys, this is inside Amer Palace, and this is the main attraction that you are seeing right now. This is called Sheesh Mahal, and it is said that it has concave mirrors on the walls, and during the night time it has all the star images, and it's a very beautiful scene during the night. It was made by the king for his queen so that they don't have to go out to see the stars and enjoy the view. This was really beautiful, a great combination of science, art. These are some pictures I was talking about from Jagat Fort. These are some instruments, equipments, ammunitions used by the soldiers in the past. So everything was great. This is the uniform of the soldiers. So everything was huge and great. So I feel proud, when I see these things, that the science was so good at that point of time as well. So guys, this was all about Jaipur. These 3 forts that I have shown are must visit place, and do subscribe to my channel, do share this video, and do like this video and comment if you have something to say.